God.
We'll be that time, spam that page.
Hope you love me as much as I love you. Ain't mean to break your heart, but baby, that's what thugs do. Nothing in the
What's good, YouTube? What's happening, DMB family? It's your boy Dame.
Hey, crazy cousin Britt, what it do?
What it do, family? You ain't family. Hit the red subscribe and come part of the fam.
Bam, bam.
Come ride with the fam.
Do it.
Come be part of the 100K crime about to be on anyway. Alright? So, baby, anything you want to say for let people know about to do?
Nope.
Let people know about to do. Damn, baby.
Alright, y'all. So, we're going to do the time 2 times spicy chicken wing challenge. Okay?
Alright.
So, basically, you have 10 minutes to eat all the wings with this sauce on it right here, the red bottle. Okay? This is the exclusive bottle. Okay?
It might be something slight, y'all.
I don't think so, pal.
Okay? And I think the person that got the quickest time right now is Honey Eats. And she's at 5:29, 5 minutes 29 seconds. So she killed them wings. She gonna
Man, well, let's see if we can beat her time then, baby. Let's see if we can beat her time.
Alright, let me get the timer up. I'm gonna put it for 10 minutes. Let's see, timer. 10 minutes. But I'm not gonna do it yet. We're gonna put the sauce on it and then we'll do the thumbnail, then we'll start.
Okay.
You ready, baby? It gotta be saturated.
I ain't really with all this hot shit. I mean, I'm about to cuss.
Let me smell it.
I'm trying to stop cussing up there too.
You wanna smell it? Why you don't like the smell of it? It make you feel sick. Oh my goodness. And baby, don't be skimpy with yours, cause I know how you do.
No, I'm gonna pull it up there.
I'm gonna let you know. I'm not wiping my mouth. I'm just telling y'all in advance, so I don't want to hear nobody going in talking about what's on my mouth, because I'm trying to win, okay? So you're just gonna have to deal with a little dribble, okay? You're gonna be okay. Baby, that is not enough sauce.
What you talking about?
No, they gotta be saturated. That's not enough sauce, Damien. Pour the, all right, do I need to pour the sauce for you?
Yeah, I got this, y'all. I got this.
Trying to cheat, always trying to finesse your way out of something.
Oh, shit.
You're the finesse kid.
Finesse kid. What who hide
Dang, you the finesse kid.
Hey, y'all, that's right for me, man.
Alright, so you rub it all around. Get it saturated like mine. See, mine's is saturated. Because I'm, you know, a trooper. I ain't trying to cut no corners, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to cut no corners on this.
Ain't no wrong taking shortcuts on y'all.
What? Then people gonna call you out. They be like, your wings ain't had the sauce on it like this person. Would have been nice to have it in a bowl.
Yeah.
So it would have just been like sitting in it. Alright, so we gotta do the thumbnail, babe.
We'll be that time, spam that page. I don't care what you say.
Yeah. Let's see. Alright.
You know, what's this one? I don't know which one to grab first.
Baby, it's just the thumbnail. Alright, you was about to eat.
No, I wasn't.
Alright.
What you was doing.
Alright, so I'm gonna start the time. I'm scared. I'm not ready. Alright. I'm gonna oh, 10 of these though. I didn't think it was gonna look so many. Like so many. That's a lot of chicken.
You gotta sell to y'all. I know y'all can see it.
Alright. Alright, on the count of 3, I am gonna start. Alright. 1, 2.
You ain't got that one in your hand. We gonna put it in our hand.
No, you can have it in your hand. Oh yeah, I gotta see what you said. Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Go.
Oh God. That's one.
Damn. That shit happened. Shit. That boy a baby. Burnt me off. Yeah.
That's 2. Oh my God, it's so
Listen here. Got me on the
oh my
I
God.
need to worry out.
Oh my God. 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 Oh my God.
It's 2.
It's 3.
Still got hiccups.
Okay, that's 4, y'all. Oh my god. Woo! So hot. It is so hot. It is so hot.
It's hot. I'm telling you. Mouth burning, I got hiccups.
Oh my god. Oh god. God. Oh my goodness, man. Alright. That's what?
I was lying when
Yeah,
it's
do for us 5.
You're not excited about this.
Oh god.
Crucial. I need to wrap my face. How much time we got? Don't worry about it.
I got 7 minutes left.
Yeah.
That's 7. Oh my god. Oh my god.
This one's burning, boy.
God. Oh my god, it's so hot. I ain't gonna no more chicken after this. That's 8.
He needs some milk. Yes, I do.
Alright. Alright, that's 8 on. Oh my god.
You got it, baby.
Oh my god. Wow. That's 9.
3 more to go. No, you ain't playing.
It hurt though. Feels good. That's why I don't feel good though.
You got it, baby.
Alright, that's 10.
Taco time.
I gotta swallow.
Yeah.
Okay. Woo. Oh my god. You gonna try to finish yours? I'm like,
oh, you got it, baby. Okay.
you sure?
She beat me, y'all. I go about the whole time.
Oh. I'm gonna have my time right here though. I was about to throw, oh man.
Hey, you with that sound, man, that's gonna like me. I was about to let that jump come back up, y'all.
Oh my god, y'all. Hear my bones, y'all.
Nose running, burning on chair.
Oh my god.
Let me get some drink, though.
These is my bones. Oh my god. As you can see,
I might have 2 more to go, man, but
oh my god.
Baby messed me up when she was about to that, y'all. I had to force that.
Oh my God, I couldn't swallow. That last bite, I couldn't swallow. But if you're a part of the fam and you want to try this sauce, you want to give it away, baby?
Yeah.
You want to give the sauce away, give the fam a chance to try the black sauce. Now, it's not as spicy as this, but you might want to... Is my mouth still tore up? I'm sorry, You might want to ease your way into everything. So, what do you want to do? First of all, you got to like this video. You got to comment down below. And follow us on our Instagrams. We will be checking. And that's both of us, okay? Both ×2, like this, the ×2. And then we'll get in contact with somebody. We'll let y'all know. How about that? Okay.
Okay. Y'all. But anyway, y'all like this video, y'all make sure y'all hit the like button and share it. And comment down below, let us know what y'all think. Woo. Make sure if you're new, make sure your notification bell is on. Alright. So baby, anything else?
Man, like I said, if you want to have a chance to win this sauce, run it back to the timestamp. We'll put that down below. Have a chance to win the sauce. And until then,
Jesus.
Niggas play gangster, but they won't approach me. I know they never approach me. They know that they catch a bullet. I ride the gang to the fullest. I run with some real ones, don't hang with no pussy.